Wow, that was a mess up. Hold on. What's up, y'all? Carlos and Kicks back with another vid. Man, was this shoe frustrating to get. Of course, we're talking about the Jordan 1 Royal Toe. I don't know about everybody. Maybe it was just me, maybe it was my internet, maybe it was what I was doing, but every foot site just had me on hold. Hang on tight, we're letting people in. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm glad I didn't give up because I was able to get a pair. It also took forever to get here, but that's a whole other story. We all know why shipping is delayed, and it is what it is. But man, I mean, Foot Action, Foot Locker, Hibbett, everything, East Bay, every foot site just took forever. Normally, I can get through pretty quick. I'll have every site pulled up. I'll be logged in because the app just doesn't work for me. Every time I try to open the app on a launch, it signs me out, then I have to sign back in, and it never lets me sign back in. My password is correct. Everything is right. It just doesn't sign back in. Every time there's a launch, the foot sites log me out and make me log back in. Then I get caught in this endless loop of trying to reset a password when I know my password's right. No, I don't do that with the foot apps anymore. They're just garbage. If it works for you guys, keep it up. Keep getting those W's. For me, they don't. I gotta do it on the computer and it works. So I have my tabs open. I sign in like 20 minutes before, make sure it's all up. Then I pull up, the page for the shoe and wait it out. Usually one will pop up right away. It's always been like East Bay or Hibbett because people don't, for some reason, go to those a whole lot. So I go to those first and I'm logged out. I mean, for the Court Purples, I was done in 3 minutes. Not even that. I mean, just a matter of a couple minutes. Was logged in, checked out, done, back to sleep. This was a rough one. So I tried on Sneakers app. My size, 11, always sold out. So then I gotta go back in. There were still other sizes available, but I really wanted my size. These were, for the toe. These are going straight on feet, so I didn't want to mess around with 11 and a half or 10 and a half or 12. If I was gonna resell them, sure, I would have got any size as I could and went that route, or as many pairs as I could, but these were just for me. So took an L on the Sneakers app. Shocker, I always do. Still was going with the other foot sites, and I was just on hold. Literally, hang on tight for 3 hours. Let me know down below if it worked for you guys, if you guys got in quicker, faster, whatever you did. Also, let me know because whatever I was doing was failing. But 3 hours later, at about 9 p.m. Pacific, not 9, yeah, 9, because they launched at 6, I think, on the foot sites. I don't know, whatever time it was. I just know it took me forever. Ended up copying them. Glad I did. The prices on these, the day they launched and a couple of days after, were hovering around $290, $300 for a size 11. Right now, they're about $240, $250. And we've got a couple restocks. Champs restocked today. Foot Action restocked the other day. So that's not surprising. I'm sure there were some canceled orders. These eventually might go up. It feels like all Jordan 1s now are kind of skyrocketing. The Shattered Backboard 3.0s are selling used for like $300, which is crazy because everyone hated those shoes. And there's still probably a lot of people that do, but people hated them. Even a lot of the Jordan 1 lows people were hating on, and those are going for crazy prices now too. But I'm sure that'll die down. It's just the last dance is bringing everything up. So if you're a reseller, hey, good for you. If you held your stuff and now it's time to make your money, make your money. I'm not hating on resellers. Lord knows I've sold some shoes in my day as well. I'm just not a bot user. That's not my game. I like to collect them, wear them, beat the hell out of them, especially with Jordan 1s. This shoe beat up, just the best shoe ever. But let's get back to it. So Jordan 1, Royal Toe. Royal in the toe box, as you can see, black toe. And then we finally get the white, not finally, I mean a couple of shoes recently, the purple, green, pine green, Court Purple have all come with the white outsole. But I'm really happy that a lot of the shoes, at least for 2020, are coming out with the white outsole instead of the off-white outsole that the ones did last year. Leather on these are okay. This feels pretty soft on the toe box here, tumbled leather. On the toe, my bad, the toe box feels horrible. I mean, this is like plastic fake leather. It's just not the best, but it's just a general release Jordan 1. What I do like a lot though is this ankle cushion is super soft and squishy. That's real nice. If you know, tighten up your laces or wear real tight around the ankle, then boom, you got that extra cushion on there. I don't know if the Court Purples had that kind of extra cushion on there. I mean, I can grab them, but it's like 3 feet away. That's too far. I like that they came with the royal blue extra laces instead of some tie-dyed lace. You know, I don't know why they started doing that, but I'm glad it's just royal blue. And then we got, of course, the black lace. I'm gonna go straight with the black lace. My weird thing is I like to match whatever the tongue is. I like it just looking one color. So if that tongue is black, laces are black. If it's white, the laces are white. I don't really go with the super colorful laces. The only ones I think I do are gonna be on the Union Jordan 1s. Give me yellow. That yellow lace on there pops. Or like some of the other, you know, random shoes, but no, either black or white as far as my lace goes, and I usually style the tongue. That's how I do it. Yeah, and then we get the leather Nike tag here, which is nice. Couple of things that I wish they would change, just in my opinion. I'm sure a lot of people love them the way they are. Probably just 2-3 things. I wish that this heel right here, that's blue now, I wish it was black. And then I wish this part right here was blue. Just some little changes I would have made. And then of course, the black Wings logo would have been dope against the blue, in my opinion. The white is cool. I'm glad that it's not the like pushed up embossed logo like we got on the pine greens. Like that's just gross. It's not for me. Stop it. Don't do that. But yeah, I like these. Clean, simple colorway, nothing too crazy. You got royal blue outsole, which is cool. But yeah, big fan of these. Couple little changes maybe I would have liked, but either way, big fan of this shoe. Let me know how you guys feel about it. Let me know if it was a pain for you to get, if it was easy for you to get. These were not easy for me. I mean, not a lot of shoes are super easy. Yeezys are usually pretty easy if you just sit and wait. Most Jordan releases, if they're going on foot sites, are somewhat easy. You might have to put in a little bit of effort, or you know, move those tabs around and check different sites, but this one was just a pain. I mean, again, if you did better, if you had a better method, I just open hella tabs and wait it out. You know, I don't do the whole bot thing or anything like that. So if you do bots and you know, scored on these and got a ton of them, hey, good for you. Sell them ASAP because restocks keep coming. Yeah, so that's all I got for this one. Next we have coming up, of course, the Jordan 4 metallic packs coming up soon. I really want the green. Purple seems to be the one that's more widely available. Looks like it's on all the foot sites and it's going to be more widely available. Red sounds like it's going to be the hardest one to get. That's more limited. But green for sure is going to be one that I want to try to go for. Purple would be cool too. You know, I'm in Sacramento, so rock that to every Kings game along with my Court Purples and just swap them out. And then after that, we have the Brazil Dunks the next day on the 21st, which of course are fire. There's some raffles available for those. On the sneakers app, of course, I think Feature was one that I just signed up for today for their raffle. And then the big boy, we got the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunky on Saturday the 23rd. A lot of those raffles for skate shops are locals only, which is cool because there's a skate shop nearby or a couple of them nearby that are going to get them. But it's not cool because you kind of limit your chances. If you're in an area where there's maybe only one shop, it's cool they're doing locals. They're looking out for people nearby. It's just they're limiting it to other people. It's got its positive and negatives. Of course, you know, they're trying to stop resellers from just racking them up and making that money. I just want a pair. I don't want to resell them. I want to rent a pair. I want to rock them. I want to keep them, wear them every now and then. The special box came out. Maybe I'll pop a picture of the special box that came out for those. We saw an image for those. It's just a huge Ben & Jerry's box, which is super cool looking. I love the way Dunks are presented. I love the stories behind them. I love the special boxes behind them. So we have those on Saturday. Let me know if you're going to try to go for those as well. We have two shops. Kingpin Skate Shop in Stockton, California is going to get them. I don't know if a lot of shops actually can get them in the shop. When I read all these raffle things, it looks like a lot of shops are not going to get the product or shoes in the store themselves. They're just going to handle the raffle part, the back end part, the shipping information, and then you get them shipped to you. I don't know if they're going to get any special boxes at Kingpin. PLA Skate Shop in Sacramento, I signed up for theirs also, so I'm kind of right between both of those. So hopefully I'll hit on one of those, because I'm 100% sure I will not hit on Sneakers app. Never do, and I don't ever plan that I ever will. If I do, thank you, because someone's looking out for me. And the video will be right here for y'all if I actually hit on those through Sneakers app. If I hit on them at all, you're getting a vid. Those are ones that I might pay resale for, because those are just so fire. I might sell some other shoes to get those. That's kind of what I like to do, just in my mind, it's just trading. Hey, I don't wear these anymore. Let me trade you those for these. So yeah, let me know if you're going for them. Let me know if you sign up for raffles, if you got skate shops nearby that you're hoping to hit at. But and let me know what you think about the locals only for the skate shops, because they've done that before, especially for something this large of a shoe, this big of a release, like the Travis Scott Dunks. I think they learned a lot from that release in skate shops. There's a lot of DMs that they were getting. We saw a lot. What the hell was that? We saw a lot of images and screenshots from DMs that shops were getting. Like, shops were getting threatened, workers were getting threatened. Like, that's just stupid, man. It's a pair of shoes, right? It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be something cool, something to collect. It's not worth risking your life or someone else's life for. Just have fun with it, So I think they learned a lot from that release specifically, and how crazy people got over trying to get those, and the offers that people were getting, and just the crazy DMs that people are willing to do. It's like, why are you hassling people, man? Let them do their job and put in the effort like everyone else. It's not that hard to sign up for raffles nowadays. You literally sit on your couch and sign up. It's not like it used to be. I wish it was. I wish I could stand in line for 7.5, 10, 12 hours and just get them and know that, hey, I was here first, I got them. Don't cut me. That's the way it used to be. I wish it was like that again. Let me line up. But it is what it is. So good luck to y'all if you're going for them. I think the next vid might be a little bit more of a vlog style. Hopefully you guys are cool with that. I kind of want to get this channel going a little bit of everything, since I'm into a lot of weird stuff. I might as well express that. Hopefully you guys are into that too. Everything from gaming, Legos, put that together, shoes, style, fashion, talk about even local shops and local brands that I want to promote, because I'm all about shopping and supporting local, especially nowadays, but all around. So if you're in Northern California, I really want to talk about local brands and help them just get bigger. Obviously I don't have the hugest channel, but either way, I want to get their name out as much as I can, even just to one other person watching this vid who's never heard of them. Cool, that's one more person, right? Follow me on Instagram. Again, link will be down below, and I'll pop up the name right here again. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching, and on to the next one. Peace.